I hope nothing occurs today that disturbs the status quo. That would be terrible and shocking. So as we all know, there is no free electricity in nature. Electricity has to be made by humans at great expense with elaborate technology. So don't look here at the amperage on the multimeter, because it definitely doesn't exist. This is now an open source project on YouTube, and anyone can build and reconstruct it for themselves. The key component to it is Th Mori alloy. Geomagnetic induced currents that are made in the ocean by the upper layer of the ionosphere create electrical energy which flows. Sharks have a sidereal sense that allows them to detect electromagnetic fields. They use it to hunt prey by determining the prey's heartbeat. This machine works similar to a shark's sidereal sense. It enables a human to see the electromagnetic fields in the ocean by using a multimeter attached to it. It's not quite as good as a shark's sense, but it does allow you to actually view these currents that flow in the ocean.